For the past several years, I have uploaded a number of videos showing my progress in modeling the Union Pacific Heritage Fleet business cars in HO scale. While working on the tender upgrade project back in the spring of 2018, I also started exploring the possibilities of commercially producing models. After I started work on the 844 locomotive, things came together quickly and I formed a new company. Work on the 844 locomotive stopped abruptly, so I could focus on the new company and the first products. So at this time, I would like to formally introduce Railfan Models. The company is focused on providing HO scale models of rolling stock used by today's Class 1 and regional railroads, museums, and tourist organizations for business purposes and public excursions. While historic passenger equipment in use today is the focus, the company will also produce unique and specialized freight equipment. The first fully assembled and decorated cars offered will be Casgro 12-axle flat cars, rated from 325 to 370 ton capacities with a variety of appropriate loads. In production now, the first cars and loads should be ready to ship mid-March 2019. Of more interest to this audience is the next project, the UP car Lynn Nystrom. Unfortunately, UP has not been issuing new licenses for the past 6 months and can't say when they will do so going forward. So at this time, Railfan Models cannot produce fully decorated cars. However, we can produce undecorated models. So here's where I would like your input. As modelers, would you be interested in kits where you would paint and assemble all parts, then decal the car? Or would you prefer an assembled car with basic colors painted, where you would just add the red striping and other decals? Please let me know your thoughts on this by sending an email to info@railfanmodels.com. Also, are you interested in upgrade parts for popular models of UP steam locomotives like Athearn Genesis? I am considering producing replacement backheads, full cab interiors, and under cab details along with tender upgrades so you can make your model locomotives and tenders look more like the prototype locomotives do today. Again, please let me know if any of these items interest you. While you consider these, I would like to share a few words about Railfan Model products. We strive to produce models with the highest level of detail to be the most accurate in the industry, incorporate the most user-friendly features, and assemble our products here in the U.S. More details on the features will be available through the upcoming Railfan Models website and YouTube channel. As for this channel, it will remain my personal channel where I will continue to create videos of UP Heritage Fleet and Steam Program content, both models and prototype. While my time and energy are focused on Railfan Models, I will finish the upgrades to 844 and upload a video at some point in the future. Just can't say when at this time. Until then, let your friends know about Railfan Models, and thanks for your continued interest.